guys, welcome back to my channel. pixie here with a hair review. Today I'm going to be talking about some clip-in hair extensions that I got from Amazon.com. So if you're interested in some clip-in extensions, I've already checked them out and they're fire. So this is from a company called Lovrio. It says so natural, it has to be yours. It comes in a super cute little box. The package comes with, of course, your clip-in extensions, a clip, additional clip-in hair extensions just in case you guys need it. The cutest blue, you guys, I want to do a blue, I want to do a hair this color, a blue hair, and it also tells you how to care for your extensions just in case you don't know how to care for your extensions. So now let's get to the good part, the extensions. I'm gonna link the link to this hair in the description box. Be sure to check out my description because I do a good job at, you know, filling it up. I got the Yaki hair in the length 20, and you guys, off the bat, the hair is so soft. Like, it's so soft. I'm super excited to put this in my hair. You can dye it if you know, want to dye it, but personally for me this isn't enough hair because I have a short haircut. If you have like, if this was your regular length hair, this would be enough extensions for you because your hair would be full enough or thick enough to make it appear natural. But my hair is so short that I only have this much hair at the top of my head, and it's literally right here. So I have to add more hair to compensate for the fact that I don't have any hair. But let me tell you guys what comes in one pack, just in case you guys are interested in getting one pack. And let me also show you how long 20 inches is. So 20 inches comes to the bottom of my shirt, which is super long. But you guys, it's so cute. It's black. I'm gonna just unravel it and tell you guys what we have. We have one 4-inch, we got a 3-inch, not 4-inch, but we got 4 clips, 2 3 clips, 2 ones with 3 clips. We have 2 with 2 clips on them, and then we actually have 3 with 2 clips on them. So 3 with 2 clips, 3 with 2 clips, and 1 with 1 clip. So I need to order me one more bundle of hair so I can give you guys a full tutorial on how I clip in hair extensions, how I go from pixie cut to long, luscious, you know, vibrant hair. But overall, I'm gonna give this company, I'm gonna say a 10 out of 10 right now because I'm very pleased. High quality, they're well made. If you're looking for a new company to get hair extensions from, I would recommend Lovrio Hair, and I will also leave them in my description box below. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm looking forward to putting these hair extensions in. They feel so good, and I think that it's going to, you know, look bombs. Don't forget to pick up your hair extensions.
This Louis got me feeling like a baddie. This Gucci got me feeling like a baddie.